Hello everyone and welcome to another Tuesday's 2-Minute Tech Tip. And today I'm going to continue the theme of Teams and tell you how to work with files on files and collaborate within Teams. So let's get straight into it. So here we've got our Teams open and we can see on the left hand side here we've got our various teams which we're members of. So you can either be added to a team, you can create a team yourself and add other people, or you can have company-wide teams that everybody's a member of. And everybody gets company-wide, and there are a couple of others here that we've been added to. So, and then beneath these we've got channels. So every team has a general channel that every member of that team gets access to, and then you can create other channels. So this here is a private channel, so only people who are specifically invited to that channel can see what's in it. So we go to the general channel and then files. These are the files that are within this particular team channel. So if I want to, I can create a new folder, and let's call that demo. And if we go into here, I can then choose if I wanted to upload files. So I can upload files and folders from my computer to here, or we can create new documents. So we create a new Word document. I'll call this Tech Tips. Okay, go ahead and create that Word document, and it opens automatically. So this is opening in the web browser version of Word directly in Teams. So this is exactly the same as if we were to go to office.com and open the file here. It uses exactly the same version of Word, which is the web-based version of Word. So if we want to start collaborating with other people on documents and they're a member of our team, they can open the document on their computer. They're the same document either through Teams or through the native version of the Office application. And what we'll start to see is them appear within our document. You can see I've just opened this document on another computer, and we can see here this is my place within that document. And if I start to type, so you can see all of the edits that people are making within the document in real time. And you can have many people working on the same document at the same time, and you can all see your edits. So you can collaborate in real time remotely on the same file. You can add comments and so on, and you can sort of really work well together using Teams and Microsoft 365. So I hope you found today's tip useful. I'll see you again soon.